Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Rashid Witol. I'm original from Ghana, but I base here. And all these are the members that work in special arrangements, and there's so much that we do. But let's talk about the flag hosting area. All these flags that are here is a duty that we take upon ourselves, and all of the people here do it cheerfully. It's not something that people are forced to do. We all come here on our own accord, and we enjoy doing that. We've already put in up 130 flags, and we've got about 8 to go. And these 8 flags are to be put on Friday morning before the inauguration. And as I said, we've already done 130. And the members here, as I said, everybody, enjoy working, and we do this job just because we love doing that. And our message to all the people around, just to say that Jalsa Mubarak, and we enjoy welcoming everybody to Jalsa UK. And we started on Saturday, which was yesterday, and we managed to dig all the holes and put the 130 flags on. But today, as Sunday, which is the inauguration day, we peg them to straighten them up so that they are in line. And we will bring them down as soon as Jalsa is over, which is on Sunday, I think on the 3rd, or is it 4th?
Yeah, on the 4th.
On the 4th, when Jalsa is over, we'll be bringing down all the flags again, and it is the same team that will come around and bring all the flags and poles down. And that is how, this department operates. Thank you very much for listening, and Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.